This is the Switchback wooden roller coaster. With claims of one-of-a-kind forward and backwards and tight turns of more than 90 degrees, this coaster was on my list. I made a trip specifically to Seguin, Texas for this ride, and as a coaster fan, I was not disappointed. The Switchback is located at ZDT's Amusement Park in Seguin, Texas. Opened October 2015. The Switchback is the first and only wooden shuttle coaster of its kind and features a 104-degree overbanked turn. This roller coaster is 63 feet tall and 40 miles per hour. I hope you enjoyed this coaster. If you did, please give this video a like, and please follow and subscribe, and check out my other videos. And thanks for watching.